fuzzy peaches. Sorry, okay, screw it. Let's start this video. Yo soy dueña de mi vida, It's okay, I got it. You better edit this out. People are gonna think I'm freaking pendejo.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex, and wasn't gonna vlog today, wasn't gonna do a video, but we came to Best Buy and picked up the Fitbit Sense. So it came out like 2 days ago, yesterday or 2 days ago, and I've honestly been debating this for so long. I feel like I've been so indecisive.
For 6 weeks. Okay. For 6 weeks, every weekend. Let's go to Best Buy, let's go to Staples.
But okay, nobody had it in store. Nobody had it in store to see, so I could actually see it and test it out. And then this was one of the closest Best Buys that had the black one in stock, so I didn't pre-order it, and then now I just reserved it and we're here to pick it up. So I figured I would show you guys what it looks like.
Yeah. Oh, I thought it was gonna open the confetti, you know what I mean? You gotta go all like, what are those guys called? Unbox theory. So inside of the box, right off the bat, you can see that inside of a box, there's another box. And we all know how much he loves boxes inside of boxes. Like, that's like the favorite thing. So if you're one of those people that loves boxes inside of boxes, this is the watch for you.
Oh, that's actually pretty sick. That's actually pretty cool, not gonna lie. I wasn't expecting that. That's a cool box. What the hell?
I told you she loves boxes. And I'm the weirdo.
You're so annoying. That's actually a sick box though. What the fuck?
Of course you'd say that.
Okay, so
I guess she's gonna keep it now.
This is the watch. Oh my god, yes, this looks small.
Yeah.
I have a small wrist, first of all. If you guys are like me, or girls I guess, have a small wrist. My wrist is super small.
So, and if you're like me and you actually watch unboxing reviews, so the box alone, when you open it, it has this cool effect. All right, so you open it and ta-da! So on the in the middle, you're gonna get the watch. Go ahead.
It vibrated. Oh, it's turning on, you guys.
And one of the packages over here, I'm guessing that this is exactly where the charger comes in, since it says power.
The charger. And that's an extra band. To start, download the Fitbit app. This is what it looks like.
And it comes in with an extra band.
I think that's the large. So it comes with the small band and then a large band.
Look at how cool the box is.
What the hell? That's actually, I'm gonna keep the box.
Of course you are. Welcome to the Fitbit family, Alexandra. If you have questions, let us help. Visit myhelp.fitbit.com/go.
You know what? We should see if they have a screen protector actually.
Sure. We'll have to go back in there. Hopefully this time I can buy Mario 3D.
Okay, fine. Can you help me?
Oh wow, this is actually gonna fit you. That was the next thing. Though every single watch we've been checking,
they're too big. But I think that's why. So I think they put the large onto the displays because obviously more people are large and like men and women can try it. But now that we got it, everyone comes with a small.
Oh, that's sick actually.
Oh, that's cute.
Now the next band, it's only one. It only comes in with one on the left side.
This one has all the thingies, so this one is longer.
Oh, and you also have your product information. Pretty cool. Sorry, I suck at this.
For people that do unboxings, you have to do it like this.
First of all, we wouldn't be doing it in the car.
Clearly, this is not what
the second thing happens to be the charger. Have you ever charged one of these things before?
I've never had. I had the very first Fitbit that ever came out. I want to say 9 years ago when I worked at Best Buy.
And so the charger is what? USB-C?
You stick it.
I know, but the type of cable the people want to know. Is it a USB-C cable? Oh, I guess you're keeping it now. There's no more 30-day return.
Guys, I was like debating if I was going to return it, but I guess not since I opened everything.
You know, your typical USB cable.
And then it attaches to the bottom of your watch, so you stick it on. It comes 55% charged.
So download the Fitbit app.
That we're gonna do it when we get to the house. When we get to your house, I wanna do that. So that is it for now. We were just really excited and I wanted to open it, and then we're gonna go do some stuff and we'll
download it now. Everybody wants to see how it works.
No, we'll see you guys at the house. Bye.
2 hours later.
So next up, I figured I would just show you guys what it looks like to set it up and all the steps that you have to take and what it causes. For this one, as you can see, it says to plug it in. I did not plug mine in. I just wanted to update it as is. So first you gotta like pair it and everything, and then, you know, downloads everything onto the Fitbit. Then it installs everything. This process takes about like, I want to say like 10 minutes overall. My boyfriend fell asleep during this, as you can see. Next up, it shows you how to remove the bands, how to replace them, how to put it on properly, and then just walks you through all the cool features that the Fitbit Sense has and shows you all the things that it can do, like track your temperature, your EDA, your sleep, all of that fun stuff. So I actually decided to do the EDA scan, and you can either do a short one or a longer one. So I just chose to do the 2-minute one, and basically all you have to do is stay still and cover the watch with your palm, and then the Fitbit just detects your body response to stress measured by small electrical changes in the sweat level of your skin. So you just keep breathing and breathing and breathing, and then it asks you to log how you felt. I felt neutral, but as you guys can see, there are different options. You can be very calm, neutral, stressed, or very stressed. And here I'm just scrolling down reading what it's saying, and then as you can see, I started off with 77 beats per minute, and then by the end of it, it was 63 beats per minute. So first impressions of this Fitbit.
It's very relaxing.
It looks cool. I like how it looks. Very stylish looking on the wrist, and it's not big, so I'm really happy it's not big, even though it's pretty much my whole wrist. As you guys can see, I have a small wrist. He's already falling asleep. I'm gonna play around with it.
It's the EDM test.
I'm gonna play around with it so I can change the screen, like the face of it, because I don't really like it. Hopefully you can hear it because the AC is also on, so. Hey guys, alright, so it is actually the next day. I stopped filming yesterday and I started filming today because I also wanted to include some Amazon accessories that I picked up for the Fitbit Sense. So I have been wearing it all day, 2:28 in the afternoon. First impression of it, it is pretty cool seeing all the stats and everything because I have not owned a Fitbit since, according to my account, 2014. So it is now 2020. Fitbits are completely different right now. I like how responsive it is. If you have it off and you flick it over, it does now work right away. It shows you things like your breathing, obviously your heart rate. You can log things like, you know, your water intake, the food that you're eating, your weight. For us girls out there, you can log your monthly cycle, so that is an option. It shows you your steps, your heart rate, obviously, health metrics, track your exercise. I don't have anything much for wear your Fitbit to bed because this is the first night that I'm wearing it. It's interesting to see. Apparently last night I had a 67% for sleep. You guys can see that, but again, I went to bed pretty late and I woke up at 4:30 to get to work. So far it's been pretty cool, but I did want to show you guys accessories. I just got them in the mail, so I figured, even though I'm looking like a mess, that we can unbox. First thing I got was these Ezgo screen protectors. I don't want to damage my screen, so I bought some screen protectors. It was a pack of 3, black, silver, clear, which I think I'm gonna try the black one. Looks like this. This is what it looks like with the screen protector on. Let's see responsiveness, if it does do anything for that. So as you guys can see, it did not affect the responsiveness even when I turned the watch to me. It still works perfectly fine, and it is now covered and secured the screen. It is a plastic, it's not a glass screen protector, but can't complain. Responsiveness still there, and I'm not gonna get scratches. And it was like 3 of them for $13, which really good price. Then I picked up some bands. These packs were so affordable, so inexpensive. I will have the screen protector and the bands linked in the description if you want to purchase any. So the first pack I got, it was a pack of 3 for 14 Canadian dollars. The first pack is just a pink, a blue, and a kind of cream sand color. And then the second pair, honestly, I only wanted it for the white bands, but I found a white band on Amazon. One of them was $9 just for one band itself. And then I found these packs, so I might as well pay like an extra $3 and get 2 extra bands. I picked it up in the gray, white, and black. overall, can't complain. But okay guys, that is everything for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!